Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I've got here another Kryptonite bicycle U-lock. This one is the Evolution series. I don't know what series this is, 1, 2, 3, whatever. It is a clawfoot shackle. And it comes with this cool key that's got a flashlight on it, I guess you can see in the dark. This one is just 6 discs. I think it is bottom tensioning, just like the other one I just did. And yeah, let's go ahead and pick it open. And we're going to turn all the discs as far clockwise as we can. Get our pick in there. And find the last disc. There it is, and it feels like it's in a gate, so this, yeah, it is rear tensioning. Find the next disc. Feels like it just clicked right into a gate. Interesting. Did not have far to travel. Alright, find the next disc. Okay, I think that one is now in a gate. Okay, all 3 of those appear to be in a gate. Okay. Both of those feel like they're already in gates. Alright, let's try to counter-rotate the first one. Yep. Alright, we got her open. That was relatively easy. Look at the key here. Okay, yeah, I had to pick 3 discs. 5, 4, and then counter-rotate 1 with the key, with the pick. It's got 3 max lift or max cut discs, or zero cut discs. Interesting. Alright, that is not a difficult pick at all. But whatever, is what it is. A lock picked is a lock picked. So, alright all, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you on the next one.